Let's make some grilled chicken tostadas.
I don't even want to do the outro. I just want to finish this.
As you can tell by my reaction,
By far the best thing I've had. I need to make these more.
these tostadas weren't bad. Before we can make these, we're gonna need some actual tostadas. You could use the stuff from the store, but the heck with that. I'm making them on my own. It's not that difficult. Simply get some hot oil going, drop in your tortillas, and then you remove them once they're no longer pliable. Let them sit in a rack, just to remove the excess oil. Make sure to make more than you think you'll need, plus a little bit more for some leftovers. Now don't worry, the ones you don't use, you could always make some chilaquiles. I'll be dropping the link to this video down below. Since these are chicken tostadas, we'll want to cook some chicken. Sure, you can boil the chicken and then shred it, but the heck with that. I'm grilling it. I have these boneless chicken thighs and I'm going to marinate overnight. The marinade I made was quite simple. Remember that pulp in my chilaquiles video I told you not to throw away? Well, this leftover chili pulp will make a great base for the marinade. You'll add some water, a little bit of oil, and give it a quick stir. You'll want to add it into the Ziploc bag with the chicken. Now if you're new to the channel and you don't have any chili pulp, be sure to check out my chicken adobado recipe that I'll be linking in the description below. Otherwise, use your favorite marinade recipe or season the chicken any way you want. I'll also add some chopped onion since my pulp didn't have any. Next, let's give it a quick mix. With all the excitement, I almost forgot to season the chicken. Let me drop in some all-purpose rub to the bag. I'm using It's Incredible by Heavenly Made Products. Okay, give it another quick mix. And for better results, let it marinate overnight. I'm using the 22-inch Weber kettle and using the slow and sear from my Jumbo Joe. Let's start cooking. Look at that color, and it smells really good. Once the chicken gets the color I'm looking for, I'm going to be putting it off to the indirect side. And then let's cover. This chicken is ready, so I'll take it off the grill and let's get the rest of our ingredients ready. As always, a list of all the ingredients are ready for you in the description down below. We're going to need some shredded lettuce. I'm using iceberg lettuce here. Once shredded, be sure to rinse it. For a bit of pop, we'll slice some radishes, nice and thin. For the salsa, we're going to use a family classic, some paste. Okay, I'm just messing with you. Let's clean up our grill and let's make our fire roasted salsa. I'm using some tomatoes, habaneros, garlic, and onion. Habaneros tend to be very spicy, so be very cautious about how many you add. Once the peppers get nice and toasty, I'll be moving them off to the side. Now that we got a little bit more room, I'll be adding the garlic and the onion. The garlic is ready, and so are some of the tomatoes. Once our ingredients are nice and toasty, we'll be covering and letting them finish cooking. About 10 minutes later, let's add them to the blender. I'm adding the habaneros, the onion, the tomatoes, garlic, and dropping in just a little bit of salt. And let's blend. And just a friendly reminder, if you're enjoying this video so far, please hit like and subscribe. Paste picante sauce, eat your heart out. Once our grilled chicken has cooled down a little bit, it's time to shred it. This smells really, really good. I really could make anything with this grilled chicken, but let's stay focused. We have some tostadas to build. But not before a quick taste test. Let's make a quick sauce. We'll use some Mexican crema and some mayo. Some hot sauce. And let's squeeze half a lime. Give it a quick mix. Our tostadas are ready to be built. Let's start off with a layer of refried beans. Be sure to check out my refried bean recipe down below. Let's drop in our shredded chicken. Drop in our lettuce, our crema, some queso fresco, or fire roasted salsa. Remember to use those radishes for a little color, and some green onion for additional color. Let's build two more. Chicken, lettuce, crema, cheese, salsa. Can't forget our radishes. And a little bit of green onion. And as a last minute move, let's drop in some red onion. These tostadas are awesome. The grilled chicken and the fire roasted salsa and the crema really added a lot to it. Plus, the colors. I mean, you can't argue with the colors. And you know what they say, you eat with your eyes first.
All right, let's see what we got here. Gotta enjoy this tostadita. Chicken is really good. Some good old guacamole. That's what I needed. Guacamole makes everything better, right? Also, if you need a good guacamole recipe, I'll also be dropping down a link down in the description for you to check out. Oh yeah. As always, I know these toppings seem excessive. I kind of overdo it a lot of the times, but each of these flavors work perfectly. The salsa, the cheese, the crema, the beans. I know not everybody has a grill, so if you have to saute it or even boil chicken and shred it, go ahead and do that. However, you're looking for a good pollo adobado recipe, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description and up above over here. I don't know, flavors, it's just so many layers. Like it all just works really well.